Yeah, big up on yourself, my people. So basically, we have a story here. You're welcome to Jamaica Don't Go Again TV. We're back again with it. You understand? All of my new subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, say, when I'm a day one, I'm not forget to know. Thanks for subscribing and many more to come. Big up on yourself, you're on a roll. So basically, got accused of swiping 400 from his friend account. A St. Catherine man who is accused of swindling over 400,000. So basically, over 400,000. What a friend. What a friend. A friend to the damn hand, man. My God, people. Yeah, man. You need God. So basically, people, his friend. So him take over 400,000 from his friend account. So basically, after offering assistance with online banking, was offered bail when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court yesterday. So basically, the allegation are that on March 5, the accused attempt to withdraw money from the complainant's National Commercial Bank, NCB. So basically, checks were made by the complainant who visit the bank branch and request a printout of his bank statement. It was discovered that between January and March, 210,000 was transferred via online banking to the accused man's account. So basically, how that go? It was further alleged that on January 31st, an online loan in the sum of 300,000 was processed on the complainant account, and the process of the loan were transferred to an account held by the accused. Saying a guilty then, man? Well, allegedly, but we will see. However, Shashage Shaw, attorney at law, the accused in a bail application before Senior Parish Judge Lorian Cole Montague, submitted that the complainant asked her client to assist with navigating the online banking platform. He said he assisted with opening a NCB online application on his phone because the complainant is not technologically savvy. He said he never downloaded the app on his phone. He only assists the man with opening the account. My client instructed that the gentleman, the complainant, has asked him to assist with the transfer and to use the app to make an application for a loan. Nor, Your Honor. So basically, the attorney at law is talking to the Honor. Yes, so Your Honor indicates that at no time did he access the complainant's account, Shaw said. So Shaw opened that her client is fit for bail as he has no previous conviction and has been in custody for a month after he was arrested at his job, where he was employed as a security guard. The 30-year-old accused was offered bail in a sum of 400 with sureties. A stop order was imposed and he was ordered to surrender his travel document. He is to have no contact or communication with the complainant and is to report to the police once a week. So he is to return to court on the June the 30th when the matter is to be mentioned. Yes, so basically, people, that story there is all people wicked. Yeah, cause you might think say somebody go do that, and then you're wrong. You understand? Yeah, man. So that story was basically a story as that is just a basic story of not to be dumb when doing money transaction. Yeah, cause you can be dumb. Yeah, man. So open to like this video and make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know if the man guilty or not guilty, although it's alleged that he stole the money and they say you cannot be guilty until proven in court. All we'll see. Let's open say my people. Love you know.